Hi, my name is Carla Noyes. I've been a knitter and spinner for about 5 decades. I've always enjoyed working with the fibers from different sheep breeds. Recently, I sought out the opportunity to work with a rare sheep breed, a Shetland lamb's fleece. His name is Ernie, and he lives at Windrush Farm in Petaluma. If you'd like more information about the Shetland breed and its fiber, I highly recommend Deb Robeson and Carol Icarus's The Fleece and Fiber Sourcebook. The origins of the breed are debated, but sheep have lived on the Shetland Islands in northern Britain over 1,000 years. Be forewarned, the qualities of the fleece vary from baby soft to coarse, and could be single or double coated. If you have a certain project in mind, like a delicate shawl or rugged sweater, it's best to get your hands on the fleece before you purchase. My goals with this project are to honor this rare breed, support the local farmer, provide consumer demand for the breed's natural coloring, honor the breed's geographic origins, and honor Ernie's first fleece by knitting an inviting Shetland-type shawl. I had the good luck to be on the farm on shearing day, and when Ernie came through, I asked the shearer, "What do you think?" He said, "This is the best of the flock." Decision made. Ernie provided 2¼ pounds of very fine, sound wool with a staple length of 2 to 3½ inches and a crimp of 8 to 11 per inch. I washed the fleece and tried different fiber preparations and spinning techniques. I thought it would be a warm reddish brown, but that's not the case. It's double coated and has a super soft gray undercoat and a darker, somewhat coarser outer coat. I like the yarn results from combing the fiber. I can't wait to wear it.